In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a form in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a simple form using native Confluence features and create more advanced forms if your workspace includes a Forms app. Start by clicking the Create button to open a new Confluence page. This page will be used as your form, making it easy for your team to submit information in one central location. For a simple form, type and select Table to insert a table into the page. Use the left column for field names such as name, email, department, or comments, and leave the right column empty for users to enter their responses. This method is quick, easy to set up, and works well for internal requests, meeting signups, or collecting basic information. After creating your fields, review the page to make sure your questions are clear and easy to understand. Then click Publish and share the page with your team so they can fill in the form directly. If your Confluence site includes a Forms app, such as Forms for Confluence or a similar Marketplace app, open the app from the Apps menu and create a new form. Give your form a descriptive name. Then add the fields you need, including text boxes, drop-down lists, checkboxes, radio buttons, or date pickers. Once your form is complete, save it and return to your Confluence page. Use the appropriate Forms macro to embed the form into the page, allowing users to submit responses through a dedicated interface with additional features such as required fields, validation, and response management. That's how to create a form in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.